Good morning, friends,
Good morning, sir.
and welcome to this session of English communication skill. I'm very happy that you all have registered. Out of 107, I got good numbers altogether with you. As it was decided that we'll be conducting this session, this training session into two halves, Module 1 and Module 2. Now, Module 1 relates to 6 parts of chapters, as well as the other module relates to the 6 parts of the other chapters. Now, as decided, the first one relates to the introduction. The module 1 introduction will take it. Now, today's world is full of competition. And most importantly, we have to be very over smart in maintaining ourselves so that the best success, we should get it at any cost. Usually what happens, all the students, in fact, going for a professional life and everything, they get not that way the success what is needed for them just because of communication English. Now, English communication has two different aspects. English relates to as a language, and communication relates to as communication. Now, communication is derived from the word as commune. Now, what is the meaning of commune? Means sharing. Now, whatever I have with me to share with you, that I want to give it to you. Therefore, combining it together, so let us continue. I hope that whatever things is needed for you, which I can share with my experience and everything to you. So therefore, I had decided to let it go as a communication skill training program for you all to be conducted. Now, the most important thing is here that whenever you approach, whether it is formal or informal way of introducing yourself, there you become a little bit afraid, scared, and most importantly, you feel annoying or feel very degraded about what actually we have to speak. Before I start this, I give you the freedom of language. At the end of the session, if you feel enough to ask me anything in Hindi or in Marathi, I will explain you. But specifically now I want to just go with English to make you understand everything. Now don't forget the points what I say to you, just remember that. First, as we go for the introduction part, first and most important thing is you have to divide yourself into two aspects. One is formal and one is informal. Formal introduction relates to professional life, growth, and most importantly, team building. All these aspects we cover it in formal introduction. Informal introduction relates to your family, your friends, your relatives, or your co-colleagues. But here it is very important that both the aspects, formal and informal, relates to English communication. How? That I'll explain you. Suppose for an example, you go for an interview, or suppose you're greeting somebody, your boss, or some senior, or a person coming from outside, a chairman or director. Now it happens to be, you would have seen that how the introduction is being done. Most importantly, first we have to start with greetings. Now, what do you mean by greetings? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. And according to that, you have to just attach your smile, your affection, your way of speaking. All this comes into greetings and wishing. Number 2 relates to introducing yourself. Now, that doesn't mean that if I say good morning and I'll keep myself quiet. No, you have to continue those lines. You have to continue those sentences so that eye-to-eye contact is being done, speaking part is also done, and most importantly, the person who is standing next to you gets totally convinced. Our work is not to make them convinced. Our work is to make them comfortable, and most importantly, you feel as if that you are confident enough in doing so. So one step ahead you are going. So for example, if I say, good morning, sir, welcome to this session. We are very happy, we are very obliged that you have come and joined with us together. So what happens? You are different from others. You are absolutely speaking with confidence and showing that what gratitude you have for them. So make it very sure. Introducing yourself, you have to attach. Good morning, sir. Myself, or I am Thomas, sir, representing this session and explaining that this session relates to what profit we want to give. Now, what I did greetings and wishing also. Along with that, what I introduced myself. Then you can add it up whatever you want, that I have good experience. Most importantly, I worked in so and so institutions, and what I believe is in me. And therefore, whatever things I need to provide or whatever things I need to share through my session, I want to give it to them. Then the third important things comes out to be good impression. Very, very important aspects. Sometimes it happens to be that we become very egoistic in showing ourselves. Sometimes it happens to be that you might be facing all these problems. It could be in your college days, it could be in your professional life presently. You feel that that particular person is not comfortable with you. But make sure that should not affect you. That should not make you discomfort. That for what reason I am accepting these things. Make yourself very sure about that your impression is properly maintained. So first thing is there, properly greeting, wishing, and second thing, properly introducing yourself. Third, I said you should have a good impression, because see, we say first impression is the last impression. But we don't want to make it last impression. You have to continue that. Make sure about that. All these three things, up till now what I said, will give you an added advantage in your professional life. Then comes to be, for example, as I said you, formal and informal. Now formal relates to if you're going for an interview or if you're talking to your senior and colleagues. Most importantly, this you can add it up in your interview session. For example, when you go for introduction for your interview session, what happens to be there along with myself, so and so, myself, Thomas, sir, representing from so and so school or from so and so college or from so and so institution, would like to explain myself. Now, in your explanation, what needs to be done? Qualification also should come. Your experience also should be added up. And most importantly, what is needed for is about your family also. Many a times it happens to be that if you're going for an interview session, only that much question you answer, whatever they ask for. But if you added up all these aspects, for example, greetings and wishing, introducing yourself, along with showing good impression about it, and then adding up to the qualification and other things what I said to you just now, right now, about your family added up, that will give you a more added advantage to it. Now, the next one comes out to be that make yourself as you are. For example, many big companies, when they started, they were very small enough. But they think that yes, how to create a brand, how to make your brand a globally known person or a globally known name actually. For example, I can give you Fantasia. Now, what is this Fantasia? Now, Fantasia is from a French word. A person working there to make this a drink sort of a thing. He thought that why not to develop a competitor market as we have today's world as Coca-Cola and Pepsi. So Fantasia, from there, instantly when they were discussing, the executive, he said, so why not to make it as a name as Fanta? So from there, we got the name as Fanta. And today, it's a globally renowned name. In the same manner, everybody is using probably the Samsung mobile. Now, Samsung name is having two aspects. Sam, in Korean language, we say it as three. And Sung means stars, number of stars. So just imagine when you join together, 3 stars. Now, 3 stars relates to in their society, in their thought, as very lucky one. So when we create such branding, we think that what actually different we can do about it. In the same manner, why I'm saying you this? Because I want you also to become a brand. I don't want to prefer you that yes, you are a different brand and creating yourself by dressing yourself and you are overreacting. No. See, all those people who made this brand were individuals. They were themselves and finally they created big names. For example, Apple also the same thing. Lyubov, the executive who was assigned to give a name. So he was just sitting collected the heaps of apples together, and he was thinking that how to get a name for it. So he used to place those apples in different corners and he used to feel that which is the best clipping he can get it. Now think, in those days he was deciding the name frame of that company. Later on, what he thought for, the drawing is not coming proper, the 3D effect is not getting proper. So what he did, he took a bite of that. And since he took a bite of that, he got a shape. And since he got a shape, now bite, B-I-T-E, bite means when you bite, okay. But this bites relates to the computer word as B-Y-T-E. So he got this idea, and finally the name Apple got introduced. Why these names are explored, why these names are globally important, why these names have make a mark in our regular life, because all these things are brand. So always believe in yourself, get all the way motivated, and feel yourself that yes, you can do much better, like anything. So you yourself should have that thought that you need to make yourself a brand. One more example I'll give you. When we started this session, numbers of students were there. Now, first I thought, when I was discussing this, I thought that, am I going much more above the head of speaking English? I was not wrong in this. I was absolutely correct. Make yourself understand the things which you don't know, we have to learn it. You have to keep patience. You have to keep struggle. You have to yourself motivate in this. Then only you can cover up all these aspects. Otherwise, whatever we are investing in time will go in vain. As I started this session, the training part and explaining everything, then what is the meaning of when I'm conducting an English communication class? So it is very important for yourself to understand this. What happened? One by one, people are thinking that what sir is speaking about. I was thinking that yes, dear, you people are not knowing about this. So it is very important for you all to understand, to correlate, to manage all these things. So all these aspects are important to go forward for it. Later on, when I took the feedback that what needs to be attached to you, so all these aspects are needed. Now, more importantly, I should say now, as we continue this introduction part, I would like you all to gather together and I want you all to introduce yourself. As I introduce myself, again, I'll give you the hint. Whenever you want to do your introduction, you add up 2-3 words of yourself. What you feel you're good enough at. It could be, sir, I'm good in hard work, determination, progress, success, result oriented. All these good words, you take it for yourself. And when you start your introduction, you relate with this first. And then you start. For example, myself, don't start from there. You start like this. Hard work, determination, devotion defines me as Thomas sir. I have 19 years of experience in teaching into different aspects, into different educational institutions. Further, I believe in myself and what I can bring out the prosperity for your business, for your firm, or your institution. Sir, I believe in myself and whatever I have, I want to contribute. I have gone through your company, your institution, understood all the whereabouts of your company. I would be grateful to you if I get an opportunity to work. See, you have covered all the things together. Always believe that you have to be very, very realistic in showing your approach, what you want to do. So all these aspects are important to cover up. Now, for example, if I'll say that without preparation, you want to cover up or you want to learn English, it is not possible. For example, if you conduct a training session for hours, for days, and the person is not understanding what actually the thing is, then what is the use of such training session? It means all the trainers, all the teachers, all the professors who belong to such things, who belong to such professions, they actually want to train you. Now, today in this present world, you have completed with your studies and now you want to flourish with your for your professional life. But where you all people are lacking is this. that your communication skill, your communication power, your using of vocabulary and everything is not that much what actually is needed outside. For me also, when I was a school kid, we never had teachers. We never had such training sessions. We never had that people are accepting or guiding us that what these things are there. Today, presently, things are there. But still we find many people coming for the interviews and are not able to express their communication power, what is needed for. And whenever it happens to be, then I feel that yes, they are not capable enough to join anywhere. Though it is very blunt, though it is very straightforward to you, though it is very cruel to you to say all these things, but it is very, very realistic. Because once you go for the session, for your interview session, or some any communication power, or some communication interaction, what happens to be you see yourself far behind. It is not the blame we can put forward to the school or to your college or your institution wherever you have studied for. Yes, they are ready to help you, but it is your opportunity what needs to be gathered. It can happen that all of them are not perfect because you are the right person to judge. You all are the right person to judge that who is having that skill, who is having that caliber, who is having that the vibes that can change you all. But yes, in the present world, now you are coming for this session to understand that, sir, what are the things we need for to go ahead? Sir, how could you help me in this? That I am not able to change my tuning, change the vocabulary part. What new introduction I can use it for the interviews, or else that what will help me to motivate for all these things. So these professional aspects, what is needed for you all, I thought that yes, we should provide some or the other way a helping hand to you all. So first and foremost, for the first module, I introduced myself and I wanted you all to introduce. Most importantly, think, I really want to be a realistic with you. Many session goes on and they create some different aspects that yes, you have to learn English, you have to go with grammar ideas. But to be very fair enough, I feel that finally at the time of interview or at the time of such professional aspect or such professional field events, you need what is to communicate. There you don't need for writing and everything. See, many doctors, many engineers, many other professions are there who are good in their profession, in the designing, in the medical aspects, in the medical treatment, but they are not good in communication. So there they are lagging. And don't forget that big training sessions they attend just for the sake that they want to get more communicative and more liable enough that yes, they are giving a proper justice to the profession. In the same manner, here you haven't crossed that particular profession. And what is making you come down is your communication English. So in today's world, what I feel about that, yes, you all is, see, I'm not saying just roughly to you all. I have gone through with many graphs. As you might be a BE, a BTech or MTech, I agree. But when you come to me, or MBA professional, when you come to me, I feel very sad enough. And this is a real situations. And I straightforwardly say that yes, see dear, I'm making you very easily understand that your degrees won't matter unless and until you will speak more of communication skill. Your degrees won't matter unless and until you crack your interviews with what, see, you might be intelligent, you might be very productive, but the first step, what is needed to interact, if you're not successful, who will take you? Nobody. So it is very important, as I said you, impression. Your impression should be very, very positive, very, very formal, very, very interactive, very, very communicative. So all these aspects are important to improve yourself. And today's world, believe me, after this situation, whatever environment is going on, it is getting more difficult to achieve what actually you want for. And probably what happens after your profession, hardly 2 years or 3 years are there for you to decide what actually you want to do. And that moment, what happens? You all get confused. You all think that where I'm getting the mistakes in this. And most importantly, you feel that yes, depression. So all these aspects are important for you to understand. Most importantly, I really wanted not to be theoretical much more with you. I really wanted to be practical. I really wanted that whatever I have, I should contribute. after this training session gets over, I want that yes, you should feel that some or the other way the contribution is being done. It's very tough attending training session. I also, when I was also in different profession, I had attended many workshops, many such gatherings, many such sessions. I also used to admire like this, that is it fruitful for us? Others used to sleep, others used to relax for 3 hours, 4 hours, 8 hours, 3 day session, 5 day session. But most importantly, what happens to you? That time I used to understand that whatever things are good for you, productive for you, you keep it in your mind. You don't bring it from here and move it from here. So it is very important that you all have to be serious. You have to put interest into it. You have to get yourself motivated and you have to show that yes, I can do it. No impossibilities are there unless and until you feel that yes, I can do it. So I wanted this session not to be more of theoretical. I wanted this session to be very practical. I really want that your contribution with me, your interaction with me will surely help you. And obviously it will help us also. Because without studies, we cannot do such interactive sessions. And today, genuinely it is needed. Now see, it happens to be that you can get engineers and doctors and other professionals from every background. It's not only for you all. Many such professional levels could be a housewife, could be a husband, or could be a person working in government sector but not able to communicate. For the promotions also, these things are needed. Suppose you are from a Marathi background, suppose you are from Hindi background, I respect. I also feel that yes, whenever you people feel say speak, because see, I also know Hindi and Marathi. But most importantly, I know much better than this English. But that doesn't mean that I'm getting discomfort. Suppose if I go to Mumbai and different different districts are having different way of speaking Hindi and Marathi. But that doesn't mean that I should get afraid of it. It should not happen that I am discomfort with all these things. What I'll do, I'll get into it. What happens when I interact with my Marathi or Hindi? What happens to they get happy with it? And they think, yes, no, sir doesn't know Marathi in that proportionate manner. So what they do, they help me. I'm not getting discomfort. In the same manner, I want you all that yes, see, but that is not affecting my professional life. That is not affecting my the misguide of myself. Because I know English is important for me much more than Hindi or Marathi. I have deep respect for your mother tongue, whatever you speak at home. But what do you don't know, those things we have to learn here. So therefore, I suggest you, when we were planning this session, we were thinking that, sir, yes, we need to work it out. We gathered together our ideas, we gathered together a mindset that what we need to do. See, you're good in hardware, you're good in software, but when it comes to a company representative part, then that becomes a part of diligence from your side. So all these aspects should not happen. Therefore, we decided that yes, sir, we should bring out some productivity into it. So what we can do, why not to start a training session for everyone? So this way we accumulated everything, our thoughts, our minds, our mindset, our experiences, and finally we came forward. I was very strictly stating that we should not have a sort of a theoretical aspects. I want less number of time, you can do much better in your speaking part. And seriously, I want that this training session would go into an interactive manner with you all. I want your ideas to come. Don't worry about any mistakes. Don't worry about any sort of problem. Don't worry about your vocabulary. Don't worry about the framing of your sentence, the misframing of your sentences. Don't worry about that. I want that you yourself should put your motivation, your confidence, your self approach at how you can speak forward. So all these aspects I wanted to move forward. Because unless and until you gather yourself together practically, then only you can enhance your speaking skill. Otherwise, if you don't have interest, you can't work it out. But mind you, if you will not get it serious right now, then things are very difficult. So because it can happen anywhere. Suppose you are working in banking sector, suppose you're working in other aspects, people are coming. A brigadier comes in front of you and he speaks nicely. What is this? How you're doing? Your mom, you're not able to give any answer. Suppose you're working in doctor's field also, an IAS officer comes in between and he asks you many questions. Sir, explain me about this treatment and everything. Don't forget, you know the medicines, you know the name of the medicines, you know the treatment and everything. But when you speak, What an impression goes on? The doctor doesn't know how to speak in English. I didn't mean to say to bring that doctor down. I respect. But the thing is that doctor also should understand that yes, my counterpart knows English, but I don't know. So I have to work it out in this manner. The more I learn speaking English, the better I'll interact with patients. In movies and everything also they show, the more you speak better, the patient gets much better. The product also, when you sell a product, the more you speak better, the product gets, yeah, what I wanted to say, you are correct in your idea. So all these aspects are important. Therefore, I thought that why not to frame such sort of a framework of this training session so that you people can enjoy, learn, and most importantly, you're not going empty-handed. So I'm very happy. I have good numbers. And most importantly, some or the other way, I can give my ideas, I can give my ways, I can give my solutions, and it will be very happy learning from you all also. Because present world, what is happening, you all know. I learn from my experience. I learn from the gathering experience here and there. I learn whenever I meet such professional students coming to me and asking me such questions when I guide them. And mind you, when I guide them, they say only one thing, sir, can you help us? Can you help us that where such interactive session or where such communication classes goes on? That moment also I decided that why not to contribute. They used to ask me one more sentence that, sir, can you help us in all these aspects? Not only this, I'm talking about the professional parents also. The parents are working in railways, AG, then other departments and government departments. They are also as a parenting, whenever they come for an interactive session or a meeting, that time when I express, that time when I say to them, they understand that, sir, yes, today is the need of the hour, that what actually we need for. So that moment they come and they say, that, sir, why not to join such session? Why not? You should have, because see, I really want to be realistic to you all. And it is very important. And not only in this aspect, I'm saying, the people who are having a big firm or capital or big companies and everything, when such training session has been organized, their thoughts are very different. They believe that humko to sab aata hai. I know everything about this. Why a trainer comes and speaks about us? Why the trainer comes and guides us? What happens? They themselves gets misguided because they forget motivation, they forget self-confidence. They feel that yes, whatever I am, I need to be the same. But when we organize such training session, some percentage of the candidates, or we can say the professionals, they understand that yes, this was missing in me. So it is very important. See, if I'll organize a training of a sports person, I'll get only the 1 or 2 or 3 who can break the records what I need for. If I'll have a camp for the cricketers, I'll get only 2, 3, 4, 5 good students who can actually think. I can tell them to play Ranji or some other places and everything. So training sessions are organized for what? The percentage is less. But here, in such training sessions, your mind, your mental, your physical, your behavioral, all managerial skills, all these things are worked out together. If I'm organized with only sports part, only the sports aspects, the physical aspects of an individual can enhance. But here you have to put your mind, skill, and finally, without money, you can't do anything. And to earn money, I say that you have to speak English much better. So all these aspects, what we thought for in our module is correlated. I really didn't want it to go in a sort of a theoretical approach with you. Yes, you having any problem related to grammar? Yes, that I'll organize in the discussion session. But yes, very frankly speaking, I know you people, you do have skills of speaking English. Only thing is that what the words you need to put forward, one thing, what sort of motivation you needed, what sort of stammering you feel for, what sort of confidence you need for, all these aspects what are needed, we have to deliver you. When I was also in school, I was not so good. Though I used to contribute myself in debate competition, extempo competition, I used to go for physical aspects and everything. But yes, our friend circle was typically Hindi. Our friend circle was typically Marathi. But yes, we never thought for in such a seriousness. But gradually as the days passed, but we never attended such training session and everything. How we enhance? By communication, by our own communication skill, by interacting with people, by understanding, by reading, all these, see, all the sessions will give you the same aspects. But I want to do it in a very different way. less time, work more, and bring productivity more in your life. Because when I see myself, that to what past experience have taught me to stand in front of you and explain you this. But it is really true. I learned it from an interactive session, from my way of communication, because my background is basically from South India. So all these aspects are important. And at my place also, and gradually today, we have made it a sort of a compulsion. Not a negative compulsion or a strict way of compulsion, but made it a compulsion. See, the way you will interact, the same manner you will get in response. If you learn and if you go to a ticket counter or to the bank aspect or wherever you want to go, the moment you will speak now, some part of percentage of work is being done because they understand no person belongs to, though you are engineer, but if you're not speaking English, they feel the bank people feel normal person. But the moment with your aspect, who you are, I said no good impression, who you are, and you present yourself that sir, yes, and you speak and you give few sentences when you try to speak yourself in English and everything, then the person understands yes, this person belongs to a different fraternity. This person belongs to a different profession, and whatever you are actually that. So all these things are important for you all to understand. So compiling all these things with our module, each and every day you have a new topic in which I have around 45 minutes of explanation to you. And most importantly, I want your interaction with me much more. See, make yourself very comfortable. Not only it should be asking questions, it should be that some projects or some assignments, all practical, okay? Nothing as such theoretical. Theoretically, if you want to prepare yourself, you surely prepare yourself. Wherever the errors are there, wherever the addition of sentences are there, or whether the sentence we need to remove, or whether the intonation, the pronunciation, the vocabulary part and everything is there, I'm there to help you out. So this particular session, this particular topic of introducing yourself, I hope the contribution part has been done. So whenever you feel about that, yes, before you introduce yourself, make it very clear that some positive aspects of you added up in your sentences. Because what happens, you become different from others, whoever are going for this. Okay, it could be in interview session, it could be that you are having some conference, it could be that yes, you're going to interact with some designated person. So this way you should introduce yourself. You bring out best 3, 4, 5 like that aspects within you and start the sentence in that manner. And finally you introduce yourself. Myself, Thomas sir, belong to so and so, this much of experience. So this what I explained you just right now. The moment I'll tell you to have an interaction, be ready, okay, be ready to put 3, 4 words with you. And I want your introduction because I haven't seen that who are my students or who are my professionals or who am I person, whom I'm training. So I want you all to start the introduction in that manner. Don't forget about language problem. Don't forget about speaking part. Don't forget that if suppose you make mistakes in speaking also, don't worry about that. Make it very normal, making very open up so that then I'll do the improvement. Unless and until you give me the mistakes, then only I can enhance your skill. My skill I need to share with you. And what you are lacking in it, I'll help you to guide and most importantly, make you up in your skills. So here a particular part of introduction I have completed right now. So I hope now when I'll have an interactive session of more with you, don't worry about anything. Be confident and do ask me questions. So I can put forward the opportunity for you all to ask me questions, or we should discuss. First and foremost, that you introduce yourself. I want your introduction to be done in a very different frame of manner. I really want that, yes, you are expressing yourself from within. See, it is very important to be realistic. Again, I say that it should not be that, see, whenever some session goes on like this, for example, interview and everything, there people are there to understand you, how you are. It could be that you're not good in your academics, but you're good in speaking skills, but you're good in productivity, you're good in leadership. You can be good in interacting. You can be good in making team building. So all these aspects are important, what you can provide. And it is also important that you can show a good impression in front of your seniors. It could help you for your promotional level. most importantly, it is bringing your inner productivity, your inner growth, your inner success. Simple. The moment you speak in English, people understand you. Yes, you belong to a very different way. You belong to a very different strata. You belong to a very different profession. You belong to a very different aspect of what you are for. So now, when I give you the chance to introduce yourself, don't worry about that. Because when we had an opening of the orientation of this particular session, there also people started understanding that this is a far of English. We can't understand it. Suppose I would have introduced myself in Hindi or Marathi or any other language. What would have happened? So think this is an English communication class. Then why so in Hindi and English? So what would have happened? A chaos would be there. But the others, they are not understanding that what the positivity of English communications bring to you. Could be they are good in results, could be good in academics, could be good in profession. But what they are lacking, they are not understanding that. So now I give you the chance to introduce yourself. I want that all my learners, because I want you to provide learning, and all my learners to interact with me in a very realistic manner. Try to introduce yourself in a very positive frame of mind. Don't worry about language. Don't worry about any barriers. Don't worry about anything. So now I'll give you the chance to speak and introduce yourself. And don't forget, additional to it, I'll tell you that whatever the queries are there will resolve in that moment, in that particular session also. So now I give the chance to you all to introduce yourself. Yes. We should go ahead with this. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. See, to be very frank, introduce yourself. Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah.
Good morning, Mr. Thomas sir.
Yeah. Good morning.
Good morning, Prashant sir and everyone.
Yeah.
My name is Sushma Sontake. I live in Nagpur, bottom and born up from Nagpur. I have 3.5 experience in bank assurance. Currently, I'm working in India first and handled Bank of Baroda branches. About me, I'm very optimist person and good at friends. I like to interact with people. About my family, I live in nuclear family. My mother and I have 4 siblings, one eldest brother, 2 elder sister, and me. I'm the younger one.
Yeah.
About my education, I have done MBA in marketing and finance from Tirupuri College. And rest it all, sir, for me.
No, I should give a good kudos to you. Actually, you introduced yourself very nicely. Now you belong to insurance sector. Now insurance sector relates to everyday communication. Most important, convincing them, isn't it?
Right.
The more you convince, the more target you can achieve. And don't you feel? I'll give you a hint of this. Suppose you go to good customers. Good customers means the educated one, and you enhance your communication skill much more. No? You'll get more of your targets achieved in a very short span of time. But yes, you introduce yourself. I'm very glad. I'm really very glad that you introduce yourself in a good way.
Thank you, sir.
Now before that, have you introduced yourself in this manner? You have covered all the aspects: qualification, family background, what from where you studied, and everything. You're not giving chance to the interviewer that yes, that actually we wanted, she has given us. Now this makes you different from other candidates. Probably you would have seen or you have experienced from the others. Whenever they go for an interview question, they say that हाँ उन्होंने क्या पूछा था, हाँ इतना ही पूछा था, क्या नाम है क्या नहीं. But they never say that yet yes, that how I expressed or how I introduced myself to them. So this is the positivity what you have, and very nicely you just interacted and introduced yourself. Glad, good one.
Thank you, sir.
I'm very obliged for this. The next one, do you have my another friend? Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah. The more you'll interact, I'll be very happy about that. We'll make a class very interesting actually.
Good
Go
morning,
ahead.
sir.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning to everyone. Good morning, Prashant sir. First of all, I want to thank to Prashant sir for arranging this session for us. And I am frankly to say, I am very happy to joining this session today, and it is very helpful for us, as you say, sir. And we
Oh, yeah.
really need to this in our professional life, as you said. So right now, I want to come on myself, Rahul Sonule. Right now, I'm currently working in IT professional. And I'm currently working in ITC Limited as a system engineer. Previously, I worked in Reliance Power. This company is in Buttiburi.
Okay.
Then in my family, I have one younger brother, younger sister. My sister is married. So that's it.
No, Rahul, good. Now, what are the lacunas I'll tell you in this? You have to go with a continuity of your sentences. Now, what happens? That creates a pause, a gap. What we need to cover up. And why I'm telling you to put in all these aspects, Rahul, you explained very nicely. But what are the things what we need to improve upon is the confidence. I was thinking, Rahul, make it very clear here. I want you all to become more confident.
Yes, sir.
We as a team, we need to develop ourselves. There nobody is much more of qualification, nor me also, believe me. So I want to take it you as much as communicative with you, cooperative with you to enhance your skill. Yes, you are working in good firm, you're working in good firm, and most importantly, what are the things? And most importantly, why I said you to introduce yourself, there is no chance of asking questions. For example, for myself, if I had lost my father when I was small enough, that brought me to make myself. Now, this hard work, what I put on, that the people who are sitting right in front of me at the time of interview, they understand that yes, some part of self-determination this candidate is having. I explained about my family background, but the thing is that creates what truthfulness I can give it to the company. Sir, I belong to so and so. My family is details as so and so. But yes, what I have learned from that is hard work, determination in coming forward. So what I can contribute to the company, I know myself. I don't know about others. That we don't have to present. So if you say about your family background, that creates a very different mind, the psychological mind in the aspects of the people who are interviewing you. And they feel, yes, this person has seen the determination. This person has started right from roots and brought up till here. And when you add up with your speaking skills much more, I'm sure about that. You'll never find yourself unsuccessful. And believe me, again I say you in realistic part. Most importantly, if suppose you don't get the opportunity that time, you feel yourself, they were actually not lucky enough that they didn't took me for their productiveness. But yes, you make a mark. You have made a mark in front of it. But yes, many a times it happens to be when you become in flowing, your sentence goes in flowing, there only we have to work it out around. But yes, I'm very happy to belong to a good profession and this will help you in that. Sure about that. So it was nice. Now, next, I want you all to join every now and then. Whenever your queries are there, whenever you're discussing, it could be that you also can provide me such ideas. I believe in my learning from my children also. It's not like that. I believe in learning from the students also. No problem. Yes. In between, you want to ask in Hindi, you want to ask in Marathi, let it go very fluently. Let it go very freely. I don't want to put you any in bondage. Yeah. Yes, more questions?
Hello.
Go ahead. Yeah. Yes, dear.
Good morning, sir. Both of sir and all friends which are joining in that class. Now I am starting my introduction.
Uh-huh.
In the way you are telling, or in the style of what you represent, put yourself in that way. So I believe actions speak more than words. I am hardworking and very learning attitude with learning attitude. My name is Vaibhav Phate. I am 27 years old. I am working ITC Infotech.
Mhm.
I have working 5 years in computer world. Um, that's it, sir. Nothing more.
Yeah, yeah. See, good to see the way you brought into three aspects what you feel. Now,
Yes.
I'll just say you that is it wrong that whatever good things in you can present it through communication? Is it wrong? I don't feel. Whatever the good things you have within yourself,
Yes.
see, learning or showing by practical work, that won't give an impact. What is instantly needed when you attend an interview or when you interact with anyone? For example, just now, one of our students just now I said that yes, sir, I like to interact with everyone. In the same manner, what happens? Yes, people understand that this person is very free of mind. We can be very communicative. So, whatever good things as just now you said here, that yes, I have so and so good ability in myself. And don't forget, when you say such sentence, you are different from the people who are sitting next to you for a professional life or for an interview or for interacting with anyone. That makes you good in team building. That makes you good in productivity. That makes you good in actually leadership skills. So nice to hear about you also. But yes, we need to continue with this. What I was thinking that after this session gets over, tomorrow when we join together, you'll start something like this that what actually you feel for in your profession present. You need to tell me that, sir, I find difficulty in these aspects. I want to enhance my skill in these aspects. So sometimes it happens to be that, yes, I'll take only 5 minutes of that discussion. I want it, 5 minutes of the discussion, then I'll come to the second module. So I just want, because what will happen, I didn't want to put you in some sort of homework or assignment, something like that. But yes, what happens, I just want to see that what are the drawbacks you're finding presently. So I'll evaluate myself, I'll keep it in my record, and in the last day, I'll have a discussion with you. So that how to enhance yourself in skill. But by the time, what will happen? Your scaredness, you're afraid, your thoughts, your negativity will move off. And most important, what happens the moment you'll interact with me, the confidence is enhanced. Up till now, whatever I saw for it, a part of stammering, a part of ill feeling, a part of less of confidence, I observed. But yes, see, an impact has been done. Starting when I said you bring something good things in you, add it up in your introduction, and then you explain yourself, who you belong or who you are, or what good impression you have, what positivity you have, and you did it also. So one contribution part is being done. Next time, whenever you go for an interview, your promotion or your upgradation, you'll add it. And I'm telling you, when you added up this, you are different from others. You're showing that what you are. So good. Whatever needs to be additionally added, today you do the homework and tomorrow we'll discuss this. Good. Come on, let us join together much more.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, dear.
So my name is Shivam, and good.
Yes.
Sorry. Good morning, all of you.
Yeah.
No, sir.
Everybody will get angry. Yes.
So introducing myself. My name is Shivam. I am from basically Nagpur. I'm completing my 10th in Stat English School, Valli.
Presently, what you're doing, dear?
Sir, presently I'm working for e-computer with the support of RBI.
Okay.
My education detail is I'm completing completing in Polytechnic in IT. Then I will come to the Prashant sir for the classes. After that, I will work with many organizations. Right now, I'm working with the computer with the support of RBI, and it will really big organization. That's why I'm feeling that the English communication improve करना चाहिए. There is a lots of people and lots of vendor person who had very good communication skill.
Yes.
and we are lacking too much on the front of them.
Yeah.
So I feel really glad, really guilty. Sorry, really guilty about the front of them.
Shubham, added to it, I want to just give a pause. See, when I request you also know, I go with very sincerity, with sort of attachment with you. Now it happens to be what? Don't feel guilty about this, Shubham. It is not actually anybody's mistakes, nor I'll say that you should feel guilty about that. Ari, this is a good opportunity what we want to put forward and learn about that. See what happens. You never found out that yes, where I should approach, where I should go forward. Now with your experiences, you have learned, Shubham, that yes, it's a year I'm feeling that so I need to make progress. So here I find that after doing polytechnic also, people who are down to me with qualification or whatever, or higher in my authority also, but they have a good communication skill. And don't forget in RBI and everything, people coming from north side, people coming from west side, people coming from east side, they have good accent of English.
Yes.
They are good in communication skill. You got good schools, good better colleges, and probably much more of interaction. So where we are lacking, Shubham knows about that. So yes, we'll work it out together. And Shubham never feel guilty about anything. Because when I was at your particular part, I was also not good in interacting so much. But yes, that brought me that yes, I can also do it and listen until you communicate more and share actually what you need for. Now you found out that sir, yes, sir, good friends are also there, good colleagues are also there, good seniors are also there. So when they speak English, also I also believe yes, I can also do it. But sir, I don't show myself that yes, sir, I need to learn a lot. But but your friends and colleagues and everything, they understand that yes, you know this much only. As I gave example of mine, if I go to Ratnagiri district, if I go to the Ratnagiri, their Marathi is very different. I had been there, Chiplur, small places there, Chiplur. So when I went there, everybody speaks in Marathi. And probably I don't know that much Marathi. But I never found out myself that I'm guilty part of that. Whatever tutti frutti Marathi I used to, because they used to enjoy. And I also used to enjoy. This enjoyment brings the communication. In fact, they themselves help. In fact, they themselves say that sir, हाँ ऐसी सी बात है, ऐसा आएगा, ऐसा तुम्हारा बनायचा आएगा. So they give us the additional part. So here also what happens, they never deteriorate you. Your colleagues, your friends, they never deteriorate you. But they understand that yes, you are little bit down, but you are not like that. So here you have to enhance yourself. And tomorrow what will bring positivity in you? Shubham, when you interact more, I'm sure yes, they might think, yeah, Shubham was last year something, but Shubham was actually a few days back something else, and today he knows how to more communicate. And what will help Shubham? In your professional development, this will help you. Some good bosses, sometimes they say, no, if you have a good impression in front of boss, then promotion level can increase in a very short span of time, and probably your hard work. So intelligence with your communication skill will work it out. Good, Shubham, good. I was delighted actually the way you all started with your introduction and everything. Much more? Yeah? Yes. Go ahead, dear. Yeah, go ahead.
Sir, I am starting.
Yeah.
Start with starting. So my name is Shubham. I am from Nagpur, Khaparkheda. I have completed my 10th in and set into Single School only. After that, I am completed. After that, I will go through Polytechnic in 3-year diploma. After that, I will teaching the basic and advanced skill to the Prashant sir, and attend the many organizations. And I will learn so much thing over there. And right now I am learning to the English and other skill also to improving. Basically, I know everything, but I will polish the things I have or I have learned so many years, but they are not polished. Basically, that in a professional level, my skill will not be polished. So I need to be polish my skills. That's why I'm attending that seminar and other seminars also. So it's really glad to meet with you. And Prashant, thank you for that.
No, I'm very happy, Shubham. See, most important, I can see that confidence part. Where we are lacking, but yes, Shubham has the confidence enough to, yes, so I can do it in that way. See, you are trying your level best from whichever aspects, from whichever way of technology you are trying to improve your skill, because you know it's a professional growth is very important in life. But where you're lacking, that also you know, Shubham. But you're trying a level best from where you can grasp all these polishness, what you need for. Therefore, in the same manner, I was thinking, it's such good profession. Just now, one of our students just now said that, sir, I'm an MBA professional. Okay, in the same manner, you won't imagine people used to come with professional studies, that, sir, I'm an MBA. But they were not knowing the etiquettes also, how to come, how to stand, how to speak. Probably every MBA professional, they have some way of practical work to be completed. And I feel very pity upon them, because they have to do some product selling and everything to get practical marks. But when they do it, they are nowhere standing. See, you are investing lakhs of rupees in that. And what we get, you invest much more in that. What you'll get in return after 3 years, 4 years of degree and everything. Then and there, I make them understand you are lacking in these aspects here. You have to work upon that. And yes, unless and until you do it, then only your professional, you'll make a justice to it. Your degrees, you'll make a justice to it. Otherwise, then it's a struggle for you. People are there who are actually working as an apprenticeship after doing BE and everything. And not here from a small place, Bandara district, working in Aurangabad in a factory. And just for apprenticeship for 6,000-7,000. So what justice? Because that girl was absolutely good in studies. But what justice she is making to herself? Because she's not understanding where she's lacking. And finally, she's coming for a different profession to change. And she wants to join in some other aspects. So I want to join in a teaching field. I want to join in some learning field. I want to go in IT field. What about your certificates? What about you being as a professional? You are a BE. And what justice you are doing? Yes, sometimes it happens to be that you are very creative enough. If you are an MBA, that doesn't mean that, as one of the students said, insurance sector, she could be next day tomorrow an ICICI chairman, ICICI bank chairman. It can happen. So going with your professional life and enhancing your skill in a different level, everybody wants that. Just now Shubham also said, sir, I'm working in RBI. Why not to join in a different sector? Why not to join a different position in RBI? So all these aspects are important. Next, should we move forward? Yeah. Some other queries, some other discussion. Language is not barrier for me. You can say with that also. So now, what could I give you a small project about is that tomorrow when we start the session, I want that some part of your hobby, some part of your thoughts, some part of your problems, some part of in your professional life, what you're facing. I just want a discussion of 5 to 10 minutes. Then I'll start the next module tomorrow. And finally, we'll continue with this. So I hope you enjoyed this first day of introduction part.
Yes.
Hope so.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Stay healthy, stay fine, and tomorrow we'll meet again. 8 o'clock morning sharp.
Yes.
Thank you,
so
sir.
much.
Thank you, sir. Really nice.